So today we are going a bit more north, first a bit central to Ubud. We're going to check that out, and then after that we're probably going to go to Amed, which is all the way to the north here in Bali. So I need to get all the luggage into storage. Alright, so there's bags here, bags underneath the seat, all the kids' toys. That's been traveling with us, but this time around it's gonna stay behind. Bags both sides, and this is all going to Kayla and Megan's friends. It's actually quite comfortable.
Is it safe?
I don't know. How safe can one be here in the east?
But is that where the plastic bag fastened there?
Yes. Well,
Okay.
if you don't see it again, it wasn't fastened enough.
This looks bad.
Right.
Bye. See you later.
Right, come to my seat. Right. And welcome to Ubud. We made it. It's about 45 minutes drive with bad traffic, but it is surely worth it. Overlooking this beautiful rainforest, there's a river down there below. That's where they do the white river rafting. But it's just so beautiful, and the climate, although it's not much colder, you can just feel the difference in the humidity, which makes it amazing. This is called Villa Indah, with a nice swimming pool, not bad prices, especially for what you get. It's absolutely beautiful.
Okay.
And just look at this view. And there's the river.
We're gonna do like a long walk. Mommy said 2 kilometers, and we're going to the rice fields and walking 2 kilometers. Where are we going to?
It's a walk. I actually just had the name now on the tip of my tongue, but it's a very familiar rich walk here in Ubud. So we're gonna do that now, waiting for Daddy to return. He went out to go and rent a scooter.
Off to Kampuhan Rich Walk. It is closer to the center of the city. Well, it's not at the center, but it's more to Ubud than what we are currently. It's very close to the center. And Ubud seems to be quite a little busy town. There's a lot of tourists, but it looks beautiful though. In the mountains, not as hot, but still hot enough. Oh, Maggie, this side. Why?
I don't know. And
Are you just excited?
yeah, and I'm full of energy.
Well, if you're full of energy, this is the right place to come to. Milani, why don't you let the kids out more often? They're so excited to go on a walk. And it's so beautiful. So this is quite a popular hiking trail here in Ubud. And for a very specific reason, because it's apparently very beautiful, and we're going to show you how beautiful. coconut. And what are mommy having?
The best coffee I've had in Bali.
Is it? You know, a big bintang is very free. One happy couple making music next to the walkway. That was quite a nice walk, maybe a bit busy, but nice nonetheless. And at the end you get a couple of restaurants and a small little village which is right in the rice fields, so it's also very nice. And here you walk right.
What do you think after 4 kilometers?
After 4 kilometers they have more energy than what they started off with. Yeah, all the way down. And there's a nice little river down there.